Hello everyone, Dave Myers, KooKoo for KooKoo. Just wanted to come on and tell you a little bit about what this next video is. It's from our Spice It Up with KooKoo and Tupperware event last week. Barbara Sanders from Tupperware in Knoxville, Tennessee teamed up with us and we put on a fun event. I mean, we had some new products to show. Barbara had some Tupperware and we exchanged items. She used some of the spices from KooKoo Exchange. I used her Power Chef system to make waffles. But this is the cliff notes, if you will, of the 6-day event. In this next video, outtakes, some of the fun we had. And if you missed it, now's your chance to look at it. If it looks like it's fun, maybe you want to think about hosting a virtual event, because we'd be happy to do so, especially in September here. September's a double points, double dollars for hosts. That's a big deal. You get a lot of stuff. So we are looking for hosts in these second half of September. And otherwise, it's just a fun video, kind of like we try to have all the time here at KooKoo for KooKoo. And I hope you enjoy it. Dave Myers, KooKoo for KooKoo. Here you go. Spice it up, wrap up. Good morning, everyone. Dave Myers here, KooKoo for KooKoo. Spice it up is up and away. Barbara Sanders is agreed to be my co-host. We met over Zoom, had a one-to-one, and said, hey, let's have an event together. You know, she can put all the food and stuff that I make into her Tupperware, and I appreciate it that she's kind of like helped me push me over the top and getting this event up and rolling and going.
Hello, this is Barbara Sanders, and I want to welcome you to the party that Dave Myers and I are doing for KooKoo for KooKoo and for Tupperware. I have some seasonings right here that Dave sent to me, and I'm going to try some of these out today. And first of all, I'm going to show you what I'm going to cook it in. This is Tupperware's microwave grill pan. I don't have a barbecue grill right now, but I am going to try grilling the steak in the microwave.
So today we're going to start off with bacon herb dip. We might start off with dog food because Charlie seems to want to eat. Avocado, goat cheese, and pita salad. And we start off with 3 cups of greens. Sheet pan raspberry balsamic chicken dinner with your vegetables, potatoes, everything, one-shot item. Okay, right here is a break, and we're going to thing we are going to do for the next couple of days, and that is called Sweet Tooth of the Day. And today I want to talk about our little bites, our espresso bites. I have here in my hand peppermint bites. We're talking about Sweet Tooth of the Day, and I thought we'd talk about today because it kind of goes in relationship to some of the things we're going to make today and tomorrow. Some of the baking items. And it is time for Sweet Tooth of the Day. And today we're going to talk about 3 incredible products, 3 major big hitter products. Where's the off button?